The front glass of my stove broke into a million pieces. This was loose, the screw got loose, and somehow the front part got loose when I opened it, broke into a million pieces. I looked it up and it was $650 for the replacement piece. I finally found one for about $300 with shipping, and watched a YouTube video on it. Doesn't look too bad. Let's put this in and see if we can get my stove back in working order. Thanks. We're opening up the stove door and there's some hinges here, and you flip them up and then flip them up, and then you should be able to just pull the door straight up. And there are 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and that will take the front panel off. Front panel is off. Let's go put the replacement on. All right, I think we just put that back in there. Well, it's kind of a puzzle piece, and you got to make sure that the pieces all fit together because there's 2 pieces of glass, and if they're not on correctly, that's a lot of expense to buy the inside glass and the outside glass. And I found out outside glass is put on by the screw for the handle. And so if the screw comes off of here, there's a good chance the outside glass is going to come off and break. And let me tell you, I am known for having loose handles on my stove. That's why I got this new one. Anyways, lesson learned. This is what we're doing. Well, I got to putting the handle on, found out. I was supposed to put on the handle first before I put on the back part. I have 1 screw, but I need 2, and I think I just threw this away in the garbage. So I have to go dig through the garbage to find one. All right, to find the missing screw. All right, I got lucky and I found it. The missing screw. So you're gonna wanna have those things tight for the handle. All right, screws on. Made sure that this back piece of glass is in here and inside here. Let's look at the front. Looking pretty nice. Look at that handlebar. That took me a while to put on, but we found both screws. That's good. This is the old one. As you can see, that's part of the glass. It broke into a million pieces. Pieces are still glued on. Those are going goodbye. All right, now we just have to put these hinges in here and lock them, and we're good to go. It wasn't pretty putting this back in because I had the hinges on the wrong side, and I had to use a lot of force to open them up. And then now what we're going to do is flip these up and shut the door. What a nice sound. See you later, guys.